Meta is going through a direction that's gonna automate everything. And what is gonna be needed? It's creatives. And creatives is the thing that we need most right now. What is the problem? The costs. AdRoast is here to bridge this gap. With a fraction of the cost that you're gonna have by using an agency, you're gonna be able to have a lot of images and a lot of videos AI generated. How does it work? Either you're gonna put your product URL, you're gonna put an image, or you're just gonna describe what you wanna do. You're gonna select the preset that you like, or you're just gonna do it without the preset, and it's gonna generate 3 concepts for you. It's gonna roast each one of the concepts, and it's gonna give you a specific grade for each one of them. After that, you can actually choose to improve further. Same with the videos, you're gonna pick any preset that you want, and then it's gonna generate a video for you. With the social pack feature, you can actually create 30 images, which is actually the whole organic content for the month. What you're winning with AdRoast, you know, because we roast the ads before you even test them, if they have good chances to work or not, then you can improve them further. You can improve them further with AI edits or normal edits. And of course, the most important thing of all, you can use presets if you don't know how to do prompting. So, happy creating with AdRoast, and I will hope to see you inside. Hi guys, another video. Today we're gonna focus on how you can steal your competitor ads. Obviously, if you're into a niche that's, you know that someone else is doing ads and they're working, you just don't have to reinvent the wheel. You just have to take their ads and you just have to copy them as everyone else is doing on the internet. Today, for this case study, we're gonna take 2 big companies on the mushroom coffee space, Everyday Dose and Rise. Let's say that we want to make Everyday Dose copy Rise. Okay, so this is the website of Everyday Dose, and this is the website of Rise. So we're in that library of Rise here that we are Everyday Dose and we want to copy Rise. Okay, so basically we're gonna see here and try to sort them by impression high to low. I want you to check the ones that they have a lot of impressions, but they are also old ads. Okay, that means that they are running for a long period of time and nobody is spending a lot of money if something is not actually working. Let's take any of these. Let's take, for example, this one. See details, and let's take this one. Okay, so this is an ad. Obviously you cannot click in the sub, but just taking a picture of it, it's actually enough. Okay, so I'm gonna do it like this, or you can save as PNG, and you can save it here, and this is the image actually. Okay, so this is the image. Now what we're gonna do is that, first of all, let's say that we are gonna completely copy the way, and we have the same offer and everything. Okay, it's very simple, guys. You just come here, you go to AI edit, you choose a file. We're gonna choose this file, and we're gonna replace object. Okay, so replace the Rise packages, the Rise product packages with let's go to the Everyday Dose. I could just take this one also, but let's go, no thanks. Let's go to shop, coffee. This is the thing. Let's take this one. Perfect. Let's save it also. And now let's come here and let's say that replace the Rise product packages with the reference image packages. Let's do that. No, it's not here. Okay, we have it here. So let's do that. So we went from this to this, and now what we want to do is to adjust the colors based on the branding, okay, which is completely different branding from this one. This is more of brown, and this is more about black, silver, and all of that. So here I'm gonna say adjust the colors of the image based on the colors of the packaging, black, silver, purple. Okay, let's see. Much better. We do have colors that they look like this. Then we can do changes. So for example, we can go to try prompt, make the text by beer belly black, and instead of, let's say that we have another offer, and instead of 27, make the number 25. Okay, so let's do that. That's it. So you stole your competitor ads, you made it yours, you added your own colors, your own packaging, and you know that this ad is working, so you can go immediately and you can run it as your ad. It's needless to say that you can do this with clothing, with anything that you can think of. You can do that. Let's do it with clothing, okay? So I found the example. Let's say, for example, that this is an ad which is working, and that we have Elevated Faith, which is the biggest Christian brand in USA right now, and I used to work with them for many years actually. And here we're having another brand. I don't know them, but it's the second one that appeared below. Let's say that this is a successful ad and they want to copy and just add this over here. So I went over here, I just put this one, I changed clothes over here, I uploaded the image as it was, like this one, okay, and then it created this one. As you can see, change clothes, because I have here also the info so that you can see what you can do. So it changed it, you can go and you can use it. I have also this option for change clothes. It's really useful for several other stuff, so I added it also. So you can do also that. You can do it with the previous example, you can do it with supplements, you can do it with whatever you want. You can replace letters, you can put your own offer, you can put your own branding with your colors, you can put also your own packaging, all of this with AI edit, and you can steal the ads from your competitors. And I wish you good luck with that. Never forget that it's not only about copying the creatives. The creatives are working because they're leading to a specific funnel. If you're just having a completely different funnel, maybe it's not gonna work for you. So don't study only the creatives of your competitors, but study also the funnels that they are using in order to have sales. This is how you do it, guys. Now you don't have excuses. You have a tool that it can do it easily for you. Don't forget that there's this video over here that you can check on how you can do new ads from scratch on any niche. You can create ads, have them roasted out of nothing, you know, just with a URL, so that you can be able to do your own ads if you don't want to copy your competition, or if you have copied enough and you want some fresh ideas. It's up to you how you're gonna use AdRoast, but of course we have it here with so many capabilities so that you can use it for all of this stuff.